Hello guys, I'm here to show what I make above my functional art. I choose mirror to make hanging wall mirror. Now I show first my material I use. This is the material I use: acrylic paint, glow stick, stick glue, scissor, plate, pencil, carton, mirror, spoon, color. Now, my first step is to draw a circle in the used carton plate. After I draw a circle, I use knife to cut so that and the next I do make a line pattern to the spoon before I cut the spoon to make large and small. Muna akong gibuhat guys. Bago ko mag-umpisa, gi-prepare muna na ko daan ng mga kutsara. This is all after I cut the spoon. Now, I form it first before I stick it all together. Muna siya. Asag na muna ng forma niya muna guys. Bago na ko siya gidi. Now, before I stick it, I use candle so that make it easy while to stick it the spoon I form. Muna akong gibuhat guys. Tanawa na. Kita nyo guys. Nakaporma na siya daan bago na ko siya dikat. This is what I do sticking the spoon. Anahan sa likod yung kutsara para idikit ito sa glue stick na guys gamit. After this, I use color paper and scissors to make a heart design to put in the spoon so that have a design. Na nagkupit-kupit na ko ana guys para na ko na isinyo sa akong spoon sa gilid na ko na ibutang. Na mo na yung heart na flower mo na siya guys tapos forma siyang heart. Oh, this is the heart design. I cut it. Muna na yung forma guys to. After sticking the spoon, I start to stick the heart spoon. I start stick it the heart design to the spoon. Muna na siya guys. Isugod na ko og dikit sa heart to sa kutsara. Ang ipakita pero duwa pa na nauman. I chose the hanging wall mirror, my functional art, because mirror also is very important every day before you go out in the house. Even you go to any occasion, you always look in the mirror if you're pretty or looking good or before you go out. But always remember, the beauty is what inside in your heart.